And I'm going to be giving you guys makeup reviews today. And what I'm smart, smart. You are the smart one. I am the awkward one. So for the hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video I decided to do a makeup tutorial using all my favorite makeup products. Then I thought of actually including my boyfriend together also in this video, so that we will be doing our makeup together using some of my favorite makeup products. And you guys have already seen me use these products, so we are going to let him also use these makeup products and just give us a mini review of how the products work on his skin and everything. So yeah, I'm super excited. Please, can you just introduce yourself? Because
introduce yourself.
You have to introduce yourself. No, you have to say ki what's up ako.
Hey guys, I'm Kaustav and today we are gonna do some makeup things. I'm really excited to do them. I'm not really sure what I'm supposed to do, but as you guys know, I'm her boyfriend and we're gonna try some makeup out. I also have a YouTube channel. It's gaming centric. It's not something you guys would probably like, but feel free to come by whenever you like. Drop a like, subscribe to her channel, and subscribe to mine as well if you want. And
I leave the link in the description.
Yes, she'll do whatever here, whatever. And yeah, let's get started.
So for the gist of this video, I'm just going to tell you guys what we are going to do. So as you guys know, I always do like mini reviews of all the products that I use on my face. Like it's flawless, it looks good, the blush color is good and all of that. So I am just going to apply the makeup and he is going to give you, not reviews exactly, but he's going to tell you, if this foundation is looking good on his skin, how he feels about the makeup, does he like the color, anything that he wants to talk about that makeup particularly. So we have everything right here and we are going to get started. Please Sosma to cool. First, obviously he has no idea about makeup, actually, like zero idea, and he never watches also my makeup tutorials.
I watch, I mean not the tutorials.
Oh.
I drop a like.
You always comment, but you don't watch her, please. So first we are going to use my favorite primer, which is the Mras Hydra Glow Primer. And yeah, we're going to use this. Tolo.
No,
you just keep on following me, whatever I do. And so it's just like a moisturizer. You just apply it like a moisturizer.
How much do I take?
Yeah. No, more than that. Yeah, a little bit more.
Okay.
Yeah.
I took like about this much. I'm not sure if you guys can see it on the camera, but yeah, maybe you can. I don't know. Anyways, let's try it.
I
don't know.
It smells like bubble gum, no?
Does it?
Oh, it smells like bubble gum.
I don't know. It feels nice. I'm not really sure what it does to my skin, but
you don't even have a glow.
I have decided to sacrifice my skin today for her channel, so.
You won't eat it. Next is foundation. So I'm going to give him a brush to blend the foundation because it doesn't matter, honestly.
Why? Why it doesn't matter?
No, because you can't blend your foundation with a beauty blender. You can't. So I'm going to give you a little bit of a foundation and you just apply it like this.
Like this? Okay, cool.
There. This is the K-Beauty foundation. No, I don't know.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. I think that will be enough for you.
Like, where do I, like this?
No, yeah. You can go just, yeah. Just take this mirror, no.
Oh my god, what am I doing? Should I? That's it?
Dye no lagabi khali. Don't put it here. Only around this area.
What is happening? This doesn't feel good. What is happening?
Actually, the foundation shade is not his shade. He's a little bit darker than my skin tone. So yeah. It looks nice only. You just apply it nicely, no? In this area, and in your forehead too, yeah.
In my forehead?
Yeah.
My
Oh, everywhere, wherever you can see your skin, you have to apply the foundation in that area. Me, I'll just work with a small mirror.
Alright. I mean, it looks fucked up, but...
No, it it doesn't look bad.
I'm done putting the foundation on. It looks really bad on my face and feels really, really, really bad on my face.
Feels good, no?
Yeah, this feels good.
Yeah, this feels good.
The foundation doesn't feel good, but this feels good on my face.
We are going to use this Mars Blossom Concealer. I'm going to let him use first because he's the guest today. So.
What?
Yeah. Okay. You have to. You can copy me. Okay. I'll just show you how it's done. So I just apply it right here where you have a lot of dark circles.
Yes, I do have
you
a lot
have
of...
raccoon eyes actually.
I have a lot of dark circles.
So you apply it this way.
Oh my god. Sometimes I don't wait na.
Yeah. Hoishi dia.
আর উপর ফেলেও দিম কি?
উপর ফেলে দে যুটু মানে ডার্কনেস আছে ইয়াতে
ঠিক আছে? Oh. What the hell? এটা কি করি মই?
Rama took DS to blend koribo. I forgot to bring another set of beauty blender, so he'll just have to use mine. This is a little bit too light on my skin tone. It's going to be too light for him also.
What am I doing? ঠিক আছে নে?
Wow.
I'm doing so much for your YouTube channel.
Let me see. Yeah, it's fine.
কি fine? What is fine? ভূতৰ নিচিনা লাগিছে।
It's fine. মানে মোকো চাই নাই to this color is not মানে a little bit lighter on our skin tone, but that's fine. No, we are going to do eye makeup, no, so it will balance out by itself. Okay. Leave it.
We are going to do eye makeup?
Oh, we are going to do eye makeup. What? It's a part of our makeup routine. Now we are going to move into bronzer. That's fine. Hoi go shade. Done. We are going to use this palette today. Not palette, but stack. This is my current favorite actually right now. So we are going to use this one as a bronzer. Take this brush. No, you take that brush. Yeah. This one. Follow me. Take your mirror.
Which one? It do?
Oh, I do. Take a bit more. Oh, then just put it in this here part in this cheekbones. Not here, not your blood. In this one, this part, yeah. Yeah. It's going to shape your.
More daddy is it?
No, that's okay, fine. Daddy also, it's fine. No, thakok na daddy. Daddy ki nokore niki.
Very bad.
So. See, now you have a little bit of color, that's why we use this bronzer to bring a little bit more color to your cheeks. Aru ki komaru.
If I leave logaisu diye.
We're going to apply blush now, no?
Yeah.
This one. Take a little bit more.
Ito beleg niki?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, this is.
Oh, iman hoy.
Apply it here.
Here?
Yeah, here, yeah.
Nice.
This is my favorite right now. No, apply it wherever I said, apply. Yeah. So? See, even though you don't know how to put on makeup, still it's looking very, very natural. I mean, not like...
Natural? I look natural. This looks natural to you.
No, like natural as in it's not sitting on top of your skin. Obviously, the shade doesn't match you, but we are going to ignore that.
So yeah, anyways, I look like this. For now, at least.
So we are actually going to do my eyeshadow right now. No, we'll do brows. Elf.
Do I have to do brows?
Yeah. Elf brow, this thing. Elf wow brow. Yeah, elf wow brow. Muk Just brush. That's it. Just brush upwards.
Isn't it?
Do you feel, how do you feel?
I don't feel anything.
No, you feel, no, your brows are going up.
Yeah, does it look different? I guess.
Yeah, it looks. See, your brows are like brushing up, and it's, yeah.
I don't know if that makes any difference.
It does, okay.
Damn, on fleek.
Worst makeup review ever.
On fleek.
On
Eyebrows
fleek.
on fleek. Let's go.
We are going to use this. Actually, this is not my favorite, but it's a new palette that I just recently got. And look at the colors. I know you
Nice.
like colors.
I like
He likes
this.
colors. So that's
many
why
colors.
I got this palette for
Yay.
today. So for eyeshadow, actually, I was thinking that, you know, I'll be doing something else and you can do something else. Don't copy my eyeshadow.
Okay, so basically I choose whatever. I
Yeah,
want.
yeah.
Okay.
You can just use any color combination that you like and
Okay.
just apply it.
Okay, cool.
No?
Fine. That sounds fun.
So we have brushes from Cups and Lashes as well. And you can choose anything that you like, okay? Anything from these brushes, colors, whatever.
This is confusing me. There's so many
No,
brushes.
yeah, obviously there are so many brushes. You can use anything. No, you can use this one.
No, let me check.
See,
So there are a lot of brushes, but I think I'm gonna take this because it looks like a good balance between having nice feathers and a lot of whatever. You guys know more than me anyway. So
yeah. So which color you're going to choose? I'm going for green. Don't choose green.
okay, then I'll choose for earthy, live, and spicy. Yes.
So you're going to basically choose this one,
Yes.
this one,
Yeah.
and this one, right?
Yeah, spicy. Yes. 3 colors, guys, because why not? Earthy.
No, you're going to choose mix all of them and do it,
Oh.
or you're just going to apply one and then other and
Okay.
okay.
Live. Spicy. How do I apply it?
No, just like that. No. Yeah, just
My God. This is hard, man. How do you guys get ready? Yes, now it looks good.
you're going to apply liner or not?
What is a liner?
Eyeliner?
No.
You're not going to apply eyeliner on top of this. You can apply a liner. You can apply blue liner. I have so many different colors. See, mine is very muted and whatever he's applying, the mixture of the 3 colors, yeah, it's very like popping, like in your face, neon type of a color, I would say. So, what are your thoughts on makeup? Do you think it's easy?
It's definitely not easy, but it's fun sometimes.
Yeah, it's fun. It's fun. Like, you know, mixing colors, having combinations. It's really, really fun.
Yep. I'm pretty sure people that are interested actually have a lot of fun in doing all these stuff, basically. Taking care of the skin,
Yeah.
trying new combinations, doing stuff, and look at me, I look like
You don't look bad actually.
myself, but
Better.
better, I guess.
I'm going to use a very muted tone beige color and I'm going to just apply it.
Oh yeah, also I used the playful or
Which is a
like
blue shade. Blue shade, yeah.
because why not? So yeah, now I have 4 shades on my, what is this called? Eyeshadow, whatever.
This is how my eyes are looking. I just used 2 shades, which is earthy green and beige.
I've used 4 shades because I don't know anything and I want to apply everything. Let's go.
Green or
What is this?
eyeliner,
Green or what?
brown.
Obviously green.
I'm going to use this NY Bae brown liner because I have the green going on, so I think it will match me. And he's going to use the green one. So I'm just going to draw a very small tiny wing. Even I'm not really good with wing liners. Like, I'm not good at all.
How am I supposed to?
Sa muksa.
Okay.
মই তলত থৈ কৰি আছো হ'ব এনেই এটা লাইন ড্ৰ কৰি দিয়া আৰু মই ইমান নাজানো লাইনাৰ কৰিব
Let's go.
Aku এনেকুৱাও কৰো দে
Sana কি হল মোৰ লাইনাৰটো
because you blinked. No, why you're blinking? Don't blink.
I didn't know I'm not supposed to blink. How will I know? But anyways,
Let the liner dry out a little bit and then you can mascara now.
mascara লগাব লাগিব
Oh, mascara you have to apply, no? Because this is ZM.
abuse কৰি আছ দে YouTube চেনেলৰ ভিউজৰ কাৰণে এটো হেয়াৰ নিচিনা হৈছে লৰাটো যে কৈ থাকে ক্রাই ফৰ দ্য থাম্বনেইল এনেকুৱা হৈছে এতিয়া
নহয় দে
So yeah, I'll apply mascara now. Hey, can't even see on that. লাগিছে নে
লাগছে দে হ'ব দে আৰু তুই চকু বন্ধ কৰি লগা আছ open your eyes and
I can't.
put the mascara no what is this হ'ব দে আৰু লাগিছে lips হ'ব হৈ গল চাও pretty এতিয়া আমি lips কৰিম for lips we have two options. I'm going to give him, obviously since he is very colorful. No, you're not choosy, you're very colorful today. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to give him this one and I'm going to use my normal regular lipstick combo. Let me just put it on so that you can follow me. Lipstick lagawa jana na
oi idu hobe ba
ki hole te what is akon bhalke lagai cider bila
done.
Yeah, so last step. What is the last step?
I don't know.
Setting spray,
something
yeah.
something no
Setting spray. So I'm just going to this is the Bae setting spray. Move.
সদায় উল্টা মাৰতে
Use it. Ako ifal হ'ব বেছি কৰি দিছ তই So I'll just zoom you guys in and show how our makeup looks.
Mine looks better.
So this is my base. I just use a very light concealer. Other than that, I just think that it's looking fine. I love the eye colors that we have. Please explain your makeup.
I used a lot of stuff. I don't know, I look like an idiot, but it's fine, I guess. On fleek, let's go.
On fleek, let's go. So yeah, that was it. I'll zoom out. So that was it for today's video. How was your experience applying makeup on your face? Tell us a little bit about it because it was your first time applying makeup, right? So yeah. I just have to ask, how did you feel? How makeup feels on your skin, everything?
I don't know. For me, it was very, very fun. Obviously, there's a lot of colors involved, a lot of putting on stuff and etc. I mean, I can see how you guys love it. Yeah. Obviously.
How does my skin looks like?
It doesn't look better than me,
yeah.
but it's there. It's there. If you comment below, guys, whose makeup you like more, hers or mine? Obviously mine. So just say mine. Don't choose her. Choose me. Okay. Comment down below. Drop a like. Subscribe if you're new here, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.